If you haven't got any products in your room at this stage, you can start by using the product search and click to search by categories. Or you can also type in what you're looking for as well. If you know the name of what you're looking for, it will filter it down. So for example, let's say we are after a base cabinet with a pair of doors. And there it is. Simply click on the product and it will be dropped into the canvas. You have the option to change the dimensions of the cabinet by clicking on the product and editing the fields you desire, or alternatively you can click and drag by eye. It will draw on our product default, so if you wish to make something different, just make those changes here, or you can select Edit Product to be taken into the actual product edit section. We want this to be 955 in width, so we'll update it here. Now the particular product has been added to our order, it will update for us in the detail cart view. Once it's been added, you can click and move it around as you please.